Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of fitness with a beginner's push-up workout that's sure to get you moving. Let's get started. First up, we have the classic push-up. Remember, keep your hands shoulder width apart and maintain a straight line from your ears to your hips. Engage your core and glutes for optimal stability. Aim for 20 reps, working your way up as you progress. Next on the list is the wide arm push-up. Place your hands wider than shoulder width apart, ensuring they're still within your range of motion. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you lower into the push-up position. Aim for 20 reps, or as many as you can do at once. Moving on, we have the narrow arm push-up. Position your hands closer than shoulder width apart and sink into a push-up position. Keep squeezing those shoulder blades together for maximum benefit. Again, aim for 20 reps, or as many as you can do at once. Finally, let's try out a one-arm push-up variation to really challenge yourself. Place one hand on the ground and sink into a lower push-up position. This might take some practice to master safely, but give it a go if you can. And there you have it, a fantastic beginner's push-up workout to kickstart your fitness journey. Remember to start with just one variation at first and work up from there. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome fitness content. Stay fit and healthy, everyone.